Guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 12:25 and today is 16th of March 2018. So how are you guys and what's going on? Because see, the market is extremely weak. You remember yesterday I was saying if I have any bias, it is negative, right? If I have any bias today, it is negative. So my bias in Nifty is going on to mean continuously negative. You remember I was talking about yesterday to you the trade in Reliance, and I did trade it. I did the sell. When I made my video yesterday, it was about 12:30. We were at this point, and I said it looks pretty much weak to me, and I exactly shot it at the same point. And see here, this was the run up it has given today. It even touched 902. 25 points drop from where we started. It's a pretty much good drop and correct identification of the trade. And some stocks, before I go on to the anywhere else, let's talk about Nifty. So Nifty is definitely on a very, very weak note, very, very weak zone. Let's go and see what's happening in the cash graph so that we get a better picture. If you see Today, Nifty has formed absolutely Marubozu candle. There are no buyers except all sellers. There are people who are only doing selling today. Absolute rock solid Marubozu candle. Okay, so this means the sentiments are weak. Sentiments are definitely weak. Let's look into the option chain. What's happening into the Nifty's option chain? So I'm going to refresh after some time, but let's see what's happening here. So there's a huge call writing happening at 10,300 level, and there's no put writing, rather put unwinding at the level of 10,200. And let me refresh and see if there is any change in the dynamics. Oh my god, this has increased so aggressively. That means under no circumstances Nifty is going above 10,300. That remains absolutely certain that it's not going above 10,300, and the support level are at 10,200 only. So maybe from now here onwards Nifty may remain in a narrow range, right? It may not really show a drastic movement up and down if it holds itself, but otherwise if I look into Nifty 15 minutes, then the support is way below. Support is going to come pretty much far. In case I am looking at the support, it is coming way below. It's at 10,240 or something. Like it comes at 10,245 in futures. So anything is possible, because I'm right now not in a mind frame where I'm in the buy side. I'm only on the sell side. But there are some stocks, some banking stocks, which are doing pretty well today. One of them is Can Bank. Canara Bank has given a good movement in the upward direction. I was also looking at the Union Bank. In the morning I was looking at the Union Bank. That was also looking good to me at that time. I don't know what's happening in this right now, but in the morning it looked pretty decent to me. Look at it. It has been in the uptrend only. Union Bank is also in the uptrend. So good trade. But one of the trade that has been very, very deceptive, that was DLF, because DLF looked very good to me in the morning, but it did not really remain in a proper trend. It went up hugely and then came down and now trying to bounce back. But because of course I can also attribute it to Nifty not being in a very, very positive zone. It could be the reason for it not to behave in a proper way. So these are some stocks I had on my radar. I also had on my radar the Tata LXI I had on my radar. I had Tata Global on my radar, and somehow none of them is performing today. And reason for that is Nifty is basically not supporting it. But anyway, my HEG, my HEG, why I'm saying, because I have good number of trades of number of stocks in my account here. I have good about 90 shares of HEG, and they have given me roughly about 10%. In the morning, this was even 12%, but I'm holding it. Within 10 trading sessions, this has gone up here from here to here. In a month, if you get 10% profit, right, I believe it's a pretty decent profit. So this has given me a good profit. So correct identification matters a lot. So HEG still looks very good to me. It still looks to me to be heading up. And one stock which is in a little uptrend today or in a proper mood is Venky's. Let me tell you, if Venky's crosses its barrier on its head, this one, which is 4561, then it'll go till this point, right? Another 5, 600, 700 points it will gain within couple of days, or maybe 3, 4 days. It will go up, right? So this is how good stocks can do to you. This is what good stocks can do to you. So India Glycol, let me look at the India Glycol. No, I would rather give you one or two more stocks which are looking pretty good to me. Out of them, I have Heritage Food. I want to talk about Heritage Food. Heritage Food looks very good to me. Heritage Food looks very good to me. This is going to be my stock. I want to give this on open forum. Our stop loss will be somewhere around 730 and buy price will be 764. So I want to do this on the Stock Pro channel. I want to give it buy Heritage Foods at price band. What should be our price band? Let's see. We're doing it together. So the price band, agar suppose thoda sa, if Nifty corrects a bit more, so I would like to buy. If I get it at about 750 level, I'll be very happy. So I'm going to write that only. If I get it between price band of 750 to 760, stop loss, what should be our stop loss? 700 is our stop loss, and target will be 840, right? So what should be our SL? 700 T1, 800 T2, 830, right? These are my targets, right? So this is how you can this is a trade that I'm finding it very, very good. So I'm doing the analysis in front of you and I'm giving you a suggestion here. So please, you can go ahead and create your position. Okay, so once again, let's come back quickly to Nifty and see what's happening. I'm sure Nifty is just trying to get its bearing somewhere, or somewhere it should be able to hold itself, and it's not getting that. That point is not coming where Nifty is saying, okay, now I can bounce back. So still struggling, and struggle will continue till the RSI. In 15 minutes, RSI goes above 40, candles go above 10 moving average, MACD almost looks like to be crossing. So we'll wait for the confirmation. Maybe after an hour or so, there may be some kind of positive movement may come in, but nothing before that. All right, so guys, keep learning, keep understanding, but if you want to stay out of the market and just remain invested in equity, rest all the other places you can exit, because Nifty looks, when the market doesn't look very stable. Maybe month of March, month of April, we will have an opportunity to trade, but not right now. Oh, sorry, have I done something wrong? Heritage Food, what did I give? Oh, sorry. So we have to modify it. Heritage, so stock pro only. heritage food. It has to be heritage food. Sorry. Buy heritage foods at price band 750 to 760. SL, what was our SL? SL was 700. T1 800. T2 840. Right? These are our. All right. So buy heritage foods at price band 760, stop loss 700, T1 800, T2 840. Right? These are our. This is what I have my suggestion on. Oh wow, beautiful. It definitely looks to me heading up. Right? It definitely looks to me heading up. Okay. So guys, take care, because until Nifty shows a correct direction, it's good to invest in equity. It's good to invest in equity because Nifty has to show a clear direction in the clear direction, right? So take care. Good day. Bye bye. All the best. Do good trades. Take care of your health and take care of your trades. I'm signing off today. We'll meet on Monday once again. Bye bye.